Welcome to our video on a topic that touches us all, fresh breath. Whether you're heading into a meeting or gearing up for a date, confidence often starts with how you feel about your breath. While oral hygiene is key, did you know that what you eat can play a surprising role in combating bad breath? Today, we're diving into 8 unexpected foods that could be your secret weapon against bad breath. Let's start with yogurt. This creamy delight isn't just good for your gut. Its probiotics can reduce the bacteria responsible for foul odors like hydrogen sulfide. To maximize benefits, opt for plain, unsweetened yogurt. Next, we have parsley and mint. Packed with chlorophyll, parsley acts as a natural deodorizer, while mint refreshes your breath instantly. Incorporating these herbs into your diet is easy. Just chew on them or toss them into your favorite smoothie. Moving on to crunchy vegetables like carrots, celery, and apples. These not only make a healthy snack, but also boost saliva production, which helps wash away bacteria and food particles. Green tea is up next. Rich in antioxidants known as catechins, green tea fights off the bacteria that cause bad breath. Swap out sugary drinks for a cup of green tea to keep your mouth fresh and healthy. Pineapple might surprise you. This tropical fruit contains bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins contributing to bad breath. Enjoy it fresh or in juice form for the best results. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds and sunflower seeds, offer a unique benefit. Their texture provides a scrubbing effect on your teeth and gums, promoting oral health while keeping breath fresh. Ever noticed how apples and lettuce can neutralize garlic breath? These foods contain natural compounds that combat sulfur compounds, making them perfect companions for garlic-heavy meals. Finally, let's not forget water. Staying hydrated is crucial as it prevents dry mouth, a major cause of bad breath. Water also helps flush out food particles and bacteria, keeping your mouth clean. In summary, these 8 foods, yogurt, parsley and mint, crunchy vegetables, green tea, pineapple, nuts and seeds, apples and lettuce, and water, are more than just nutritious options. They are powerful allies in your quest for fresh breath. Remember, while these foods help, maintaining good oral hygiene is essential. So, next time you're planning a meal, consider these surprising additions and enjoy the confidence that comes with fresh breath.